Welcome to the Gakuran Beginner Guides. In this quick video, I will show you every important control you need to play the game, including attacking, blocking, dashing, sprinting, and more. So let's get started. Before moving with anything, make sure you have joined the Kakuran community and you could see View Community button here. If you go on these three dots, you have an option to leave community. That's make sure you have already joined the community and this will allow to play the Gakuran. Let's go ahead and play it. Here you have to agree with in-game rule that no explicit drawing on whiteboard, no trapping players in inaccessible location, no prolonged carrying of other players. That's fine. We are agree. Controls are the most important part of any game. So first, let's start with the controls. Now, the first control I want to show you is if you press and hold Shift key, this will make your character run faster. This is useful for chasing opponents, escaping attacks, and moving around the map more quickly. To start fighting, press the T key to activate your fighting stance. Your character will switch into combat mode that will allow you to attack and use your fighting style. Now hold the F key that will block incoming attacks. Blocking can reduce or completely stop damage from your opponent, so use it at the right time to defend yourself. Press the Q key to perform a quick dash. Dashing will help you to dodge your enemy attack. This will close the distance to your opponent or quickly reposition during combat. If you press the R key, that is used for heavy attacks. These attacks are slower than normal punches but deal significantly more damage. So use them at the right moment to gain the upper hand in the battle. Now use the left mouse button to perform light attacks. Keep clicking to chain together a combo of punches and kicks that will allow you to deal continuous damage to your opponent. And that's all the basic controls you need to play Gakuran Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.